Hello, Tashidale to everyone. Welcome back to learning basic Tibetan grammar. And today I'm going to talk on Dokjin Shi. So that means is 4 subscribes letter. Dokjin is subscribes letter. Shi is 4. So what are the 4 subscribes letter? The first one is Yatak. Yatak. So you can see here. Yatak. Yatak. Okay. The literally tak means it's kind of sign. The second one is Latak. Latak. La sign. That's why it's called Latak. Latak. Third one is called Ratak. Ratak is similar. It has a Ra sign. That's why it's called Ratak. And the fourth one is Watak. So sound Watak. So now these are called Dokjin Shi. Okay. Anyway, we're going to learn today more detail is Yatak. Yatak. Okay. Let's start. So here is a Yatak twin. So what that means is 7 subscribes letter. So there are 7 Yatak. Okay. So Yatak, what that is, you can see here. So this is called Yatak. It's just like a rocking chair. You can see this one called Yatak. So how many letter there? 7. They can sit on the rocking chair. I'm just kidding, okay? It look like. So first Yata is Ka. So now we have to put this, the bottom of the Ka, and become this like this. And then read like Ka Yata Kya. Ka Yata Kya. Sound change. The 30 consonant Ka is sound is Ka, right? So now when we add Yata, a sound become Kya. Ka Yata Kya. Okay. The second one is Ka and Ka Yata Kya. Third one is Ga Yata Gya. Fourth one is Pa Yata Cha. Fifth one is Pa Yata Cha. Sixth one is Pa Yata Ja. Last one is Ma Yata Nya. You see? So when this Yata put together, sounds change. Ka Yata Kya, Ka Yata Kya, Ga Yata Gya, Pa Yata Cha, Pa Yata Cha, Pa Yata Cha, Ma Yata Nya. Okay, so that is how we have to read proper sound. So that is how we have to recognize and we have to remember 7 Yata. Okay, let's check next one. So here you can see Salje Sumju, that means 30 consonants, right? There are 30. So among the 30 consonants, only 7 letter can have a rocking chair. I'm just kidding, okay? This Yata can have only 7. Ka, Ka, Ga, Pa, 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 Ma. You see? only 7 letter can have yata. Okay, remember, no more confusion. Okay, so now 7 yata going to work with 4 vowel and it make different sound. Okay, okay, let's start. Okay, the first yata, ka yata kya. So now I'm going to work with the 4 vowel. Okay, ka yata kya, kigu ki. Ka yata kya, shapkyu kyu. Ka yata kya, dingbo kye. Ka yata kya, naru kyo. Ki, kyu, kye, kyo. Okay, but in order to make a proper sound, you have to read one by one. That is how you make correct proper sound. The next one is ka yata kya. Ka yata kya, kiku ki. Ka yata kya, shapkyu kyu. Ka yata kya, dingbo ke. Ka yata kya, naru kyo. Ki, kyu, ke, kyo. Ga yata gya. Ga yata gya, kigu gi. Ga yata gya, shapkyu gyu. Ga yata gya, dingbo ge. Ga yata gya, naru gyo. Gi, gyu, ge, gyo. Pa yata cha. Pa yata cha, kigu chi. Pa yata cha, shapkyu chu. Pa yata cha, dingbo che. Pa yata cha, naru cho. Chi, chu, che, cho. Pa yata cha. Pa yata cha, kigu chi. Pa yata cha, shapkyu chu. Pa yata cha, dingbo che. Pa yata cha, naru cho. Chi, chu, che, cho. Pa yata cha. Pa yata cha, kigu chi. Pa yata cha, shapkyu chu. Pa yata cha, dingbo che. Pa yata cha, naru cho. Chi, chu, che, cho. Okay, last one. Ma yata nya. Ma yata nya, kigu ni. Ma yata nya, shapkyu nyu. Ma yata nya, dingbo nye. Ma yata nya, naru nyo. Ni, nyu, nye, nyo. Okay, so when the 4 vowel put together with 7 yata, that is how it makes sound. Okay, so that is how we have to read properly one by one. Okay, that is how the 4 vowel combine or put together with 7 yata, and that is how it makes sounds. Okay, so now we're going to learn the meaning. Tsikitun, that means is the meaning of a word. Since we have learned the 7 yata with the 4 vowel and some of them already show a meaning. So now it is the right time to learn the meaning and we can remember 7 yata. Okay, let's start. So now you can see here ka yata kya shapkyu kyu. So now here is a nya. Since we have learned the 30 consonant nya, so why not we put together, right? It's a separate, it's very simple, it's not complicated. It's the 30 consonant nya, and now we're going to put together. Ka, yata, kya, shabju, kyu. So sound nya, kyu. Okay, we learn one word. So what is the meaning of nya, kyu? Meaning is fishing hook. Okay, that's a nya, kyu. Okay, here ka, yata, kya, đừng bố kye. Kye meaning is calling. Okay, calling what? Who? Calling for king. Okay, kye, gyalbo. Gyalbo is king. Okay, next one. So now next one is ka, yata, kya, kigu, ki. So what is the meaning of ki? You know here, beautiful dogs here. Ki meaning is dog. Dog. Ki meaning is dog. Ki. Ki. Next one. Kai ta kya shabju Q. Q. So it's we're going to one pai ta ja, right? Kai ta kya shabju Q. Ja Q. What is the meaning of ja Q? Meaning is the group of birds called flock. Flock, right? Ja Q. Ja Q. Next one is kaya ta kya naru kyo. 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 So we have a kyo ga. Because we learned 30 consonant, here we can add. Why not? Kyo ga. Meaning is husband. Kyo ga. Kyo ga. Next one is paya ta cha shap yu chu. Chu ba. The chupa meaning is Tibetan traditional outfit dress, okay? Chupa. The next one is chura. Paya ta cha shap chura. Chura. Chura meaning is, I know everyone love this one, cheese. I love cheese. Delicious. Chura. Chura. Okay, next one. Now jiwa. Jiwa. So you might be wondering why, because when we learn 30 consonant, this one sound is ba. Okay, so in this case we are learning the noun, the name, so is pronoun sound wa. We have to pronounce wa. So you might be wondering why, because of mostly like noun or name always come change the sound wa. Okay, so this we will learn step by step. Jiwa. Okay, jiwa. What is the meaning of jiwa? Meaning is, you can see here, cute mouse. Jiwa. So this one is even it titi in Tibetan different word, but also jiwa also mouse, titi also mouse. But now we are learning this, so that's why I'm trying to just let you know. Jiwa, mouse. Titi also mouse. Okay, but we will learn later. Titi. Okay. Okay, next one is Ju. Pai ta cha shab ju chu, ra shab ju ru. Juru. Juru meaning is, look at that. That is beautiful. That means coral. Coral. Juru. Juru. The next one is che. Pai ta cha ding bu che ma. Che ma. What is meaning of chema is, look at here, sand. Sand. Chema. Chema. So next one is chewa. And now again you have to pronounce, instead of ba is wa. You see, it's a name or noun. So chewa. So you have to pronounce chewa. The chewa meaning is, look at that, is 10 million. 10 million called chewa. Okay, so far we learn all the meaning. So far it show the meaning while we are learning 7 yata with 4 vowel. That is how it show a meaning here. So this is a good way to remember for us to 7 yata and as well as meaning. I hope this will help you remember 7 yata and the meaning too. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.